Hello everyone, this is Jasmine from Lintratek. Today I will recommend you about our new design, this powerful repeater. It can be used for both outdoor and indoor. You can see this black metal groove cover. It is used for waterproof and it is good for heat dissipation. You can see the screen here. It shows the gain of the repeater when it is set up. There are four conditions of the light above. One is red stable, red flashing, green stable, and green flashing. In red stable condition, it shows that the repeater is now in self-excitation condition, so you need to adjust the gain by hand within these buttons, plus and decrease. For the usage of the repeater, it can be used for both outdoor and indoor. For outdoor, you can link with two big plate antennas and to cover maximum about 500 square meters. It is used for village, for farm, for mine, and so on. For indoor coverage, it can be linked at most for 20 indoor antennas to cover about 2,000 square meters. So now let's have a test for this repeater. You can see after we link on the repeater, we can surf on the internet smoothly.